Friends, here we are talking about JMESPath expression to get key or property value. See, the general syntax to use JMESPath expression is, this is directly for JPCLI and this is for Cloud CLIs. So simply you have to mention your JMESPath expression inside quotations. As of now we are using here single quotation, but we can also use double quotations. And mostly we will use single quotation, but sometimes it's mandatory to use double quotations. We will see that. Now let's say I want to get key or property value, then JMESPath expression is simply your required key name or property name. Let me show you that. See, suppose here we have sample.json. This is the content for it. So if you observe here, this is the key or property, and for that this is the value. Same way, key, value, key and its value, key, and this entire array is a value for this key. Now for this key this is the value, and for this key this is the value. Now let's say I want to get this value from this JSON data. Then for this value, what is the key? Age is the key. So using this age key, we will write JMESPath expression. So simply using JPCLI, jp-f your JSON file, and in quotations we will write that required key. That's it. Now let's say, suppose if I want to get this value, so this entire value is associated with this key. Now to get this value, we have to use this key in JMESPath expression. So simply, that's it. So here we use JPCLI. Instead of that, let's say AWS CLI. See, suppose I am running this AWS CLI. Just observe the output. See here, this entire thing is JSON response. So here this is the key and this is the value for that key. Now let's say I want to get this value, then you have to write JMESPath expression using this key. So simply for Cloud CLIs, to write your JMESPath expression, we have -- query parameter. So inside quotation, simply your required key. That's it. Now let's say instead of getting this value from your JSON response, let's say I want to get this value or this value, then you have to apply nested operations. That we will see later. Okay, thank you.